Hello everyone, welcome to a new update for the Nasdaq, SPX, and Dow Jones. We're gonna see today what is going on. So, sorry for being late for the analysis because nothing yet has happened from our latest analysis. I was mentioning in the latest time that we're still looking for this high here to be finishing a wave 5. We are already at the 1-to-1 fib level. The structure is done as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 wave A, wave B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 finished. A, B, and a C in a wave B, major wave B, and we push toward the downside. And I believe that this should be the signal of or a reaction to continue the downtrend, I would say, because we are already here in a W, an X, and a wave Y, in a wave A, B, C, very fast, and kind of like a blitz zigzag here. Finished wave B, and then we push toward the downside in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave 2. And that means the wave 2 has to reach the minimum target 22K here, where we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 impulse, an A, B, and a C. Still looking for this price, guys. Still looking for this minimum target as a wave 2 because this area has to be reached. The time is already reached, I would say, the perfect time. So, but without taking the perfect fib level, yeah, or the minimum, I would say, fib level. So I'm expecting a downtrend that it might start to unfold here and for the next week, of course. That it might be very, very bloody. So we gotta be careful. Also, the news in the market are very, very essential right now. They are leading the market, so we don't know what's gonna happen during the weekend. Nobody knows if the war is coming back again, and on Monday we might open in very, very red price toward the downside. So we gotta be careful with this scenario, guys. Yep. So this is regarding Nasdaq. I don't see yet continuation toward the upside. Honestly, I see a finished zigzag APC. Now for SPX 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 finished also as an ending diagonal wave 1. We have kind of a W, X, and a Y as well in a wave A. Wave B given finished as a zigzag. Let's dive in it and analyze it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave A. Wave B given as a correction, another 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And we see, of course, that the 1-to-1 level is very, very close here to this area. And we finished kind of like this wave 5 was one more high that I was expecting in the latest analysis here. So this one more high has been given, and we start to see kind of like finished structure 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. We might dive deeper, of course, in a wave C, which it can be the major wave C of a major wave 2 as well. So by all means, an ABC here, an A, B, and a C 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 might be reaching our target at 0.386K, $75. In this case, we are looking then for potential higher prices one more time. Again, it can be the all-time high. We'll see how this is going to unfold, but this is the minimum requirement target for a wave 2 in SPX as well. Yep, so this is regarding SPX. Finally, we're gonna see Dow Jones. For Dow Jones, we are also potentially here in a 1-2. The 1-2 is an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B, and a C. The targets here and the minimum requirement for wave 2 and minimum Fibonacci level required for wave 2 still not yet taken. And that means we're still looking here for something lower as an ABC. Now, obviously, for Dow Jones, it was very clear for us that this is kind of like a triangle here, can be, or it can be a finished wave B. So wave B can be triangle or finished over here. I believe it is finished over there because this looks like a perfect 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here. A signal of weakness has been given, and we might start to dive for a deeper there, where we are looking for our major target here as a wave C to reach, of course, the 44K 600 and around it as a 1, 2. Yeah, so a large 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 1, A, B, and a C for wave 2. I believe that this 1-to-1, so we can have, of course, a confluence right now for this target at 1-to-1, which is exactly the 0.5 Fibonacci level. 43K even is a very psychological number. I would say it's a lot of confluence here in this area 0.5. So 43K is very likely to happen, of course, in this area for Dow Jones. That was it for the US stock indices, Nasdaq, SPX, and Dow Jones. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord, and stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.